Closing market comments for Wednesday, December the 23rd. Wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The markets today opened lower last night, rallied by the 6:30 this morning, and went into new highs after the ethanol production, stocks, crude oil stocks, and weekly export sales came out. Soybeans and corn both set new highs for the move before selling off later in the session with profit taking before the holiday. A lot of traders won't be in Chicago tomorrow, even though there is a trading session. It will be a quiet day expected, but never know. If there's only a few there and they're all buyers, markets could be higher or lower depending on which side of the market they're trending. News today, the export sales were released, as I said, a day early. Corn sales at 25.6 million, a disappointing number when last week was 75.8. Last year at 20.9, and the range was 24 to 39. We need to average 29.4 million per week. Soybean export sales were also disappointing at 13.0, down from 33.9, but above last year at 12.1, with 20 to 29 expected. So as you can see below the guess, 5.7 needed. We did sell 6.1 million of new crop beans for next year. Wheat sales at 14.5 million. That's down from 19.9 the previous week and down from 26.3 last year, with 11 to 18 expected and 10.4 needed. Weekly oil inventory report was also released today. Crude oil stocks at 499.5 million barrels, down 600,000 from the previous week, but 58.1 million above last year. Gasoline stocks at 237.8 million barrels, down 1.1 million from the previous week, and 1.5 million below last year. Distillate stocks at 148.9 million, that's down from 151.3, but well above last year at 124.9. Ethanol production rebounded today, or this week, at 976,000, up 19,000 from the previous week, but still 107,000 below last year at this time. The problem with ethanol continues to be stocks building. We went up again this week, another 219,000 barrels at 23.169 million. That's also well above last year at 21.469 million. So we continue to build ethanol stocks even with lower production, and that really comes down to, as with the gasoline, not as many drivers and not as much demand. So we'll have to see. Strike continues in Argentina. They're in their 14th day, and there's talk that it could extend from there. Some other unions did join the strike today. I would expect that the government's probably going to step in here before long and take some type of action. Dry weather continues in Argentina and southern Brazil, with moisture in central and northern Brazil, and the forecast is for more rainfall in the central and northern regions. Estimated position by the funds today was that they are long 17,000 contracts of wheat, 325,000 contracts of corn, and 244,000 contracts of beans. If this market ever turns and we start liquidating fund positions, we could see some sharply lower days. So keep that in mind in your marketing plan. All right, again, Merry Christmas. Have a good weekend. Thanks.